Welcome back to Jaanuwebs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Bootstrap 5. Topic: What is Bootstrap 5? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, modals, image carousels and many other, as well as optional JavaScript plugins. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. This is Bootstrap 5 example. And this is our output. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information useful, make sure to follow for more Bootstrap 5 tutorial content. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we will delve deeper into the topic. In the meantime, make sure to follow Jaanuwebs for regular updates. Join our community using the hashtag Sabhojayega. Thank you.